These are the questions that you just did on Canvas. Let's go ahead and do them rather quickly here. So I'm just going to draw my graph up. And I notice that my y-intercept is -2, so I'm going to plot the -2 first. My slope is -3/2, which means, just so you guys remember, that's -3/2 or 3/2. So you can either go down 3, right 2, or up 3, left 2. Either works out. I'm going to go down 3, right 2. And then just for kicks, I'm going to go up 3, left 2. Right? Wasn't that fun? I know you guys are all like, whoa, I can't believe he did that. Ah! So there's our line. And the second one, this is in standard form, so I'm going to find the intercepts because that's going to be a more efficient way of doing it. Plugging in 0 for x makes this 0 minus 2y equals 12, right? 3 times 0 makes 0. That's the reason why I do that. And then dividing both sides by -2, we get y equals -6. And then plugging in 0 for y now, I get 3x minus 0 equals 12, which is 3x equals 12. Solving for x, we get x equals 4. So I have 2 points. One of those points is at 4, 0. And one of those points is at -0, -6. And I can connect the dots to make my line. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns on that, you can leave them in the comments here. You can also contact me, Canvas, or class, whatever, right? Contact me somehow, get your questions answered. Let's talk about the solution of a linear inequality. So just like in what we just said in the line in the last video, was that a solution is what makes a true statement. A solution to an inequality is a number or numbers that, when substituted for the variable or variables, makes a true statement. So just to do a quick example here, we have this inequality, x minus 3y equals 6, and we're saying which of these ordered pairs is not a solution to this set of numbers right here. So to check that, we're just going to plug them in, right? Remember, an ordered pair is x comma y, so we're just going to plug the numbers in and see if it makes a true statement. So let's do D. We're going to go from the bottom to the top. -1 minus 3 times 2 is less than or equal to 6, right? All I did was I plugged the numbers in. Now let's do the math here and see if it makes a true statement. -1 is less than 6, is less than or equal to 6, excuse me, minus 6, I don't know what I'm thinking. -7 is less than or equal to 6. Is that a true statement? It is not. It is false. So, D is not a solution, right? Well, I crossed that out. Maybe I should probably circle that one, because that's technically the right answer, right? D is not, no, what am I saying? Ignore me. What am I saying? This is false. I'm a terrible person. This is true. -7 is obviously less than 6. Which means this is a solution. Whew. Okay, I'm glad that I caught that now. This is a true statement, which means that this is a solution. Let's check some of these other numbers now. Let's try and do C. So this is 10 minus 3 times 3 is less than or equal to 6. So that's 10 minus 9 is less than or equal to 6. That's 1 is less than or equal to 6. True or false? True. 1 is less than 6, which means this is a solution, right? 10, 3 is a solution because it makes a true statement. Let's try B. 6 minus 3 times -1 is less than or equal to 6. 6, -3 times -1 plus 3 is less than or equal to 6. That's 9 is less than or equal to 6. Is this a true statement? No, it is not a true statement. It is no, it is false. Therefore, this is not a solution. When we plug a number in and it's false, it is not a solution. So the one of these that is not a solution is B, because when I plug it into the inequality, it does not make a true statement. This is an important step in what we're going to be doing with graphing inequalities. So let's make sure you've got it down. I've got a couple of questions for you on Canvas. So please head over and do those now. We will answer them in the next video.